What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technology. Currently, we are inside Blukuma and we are coming to fix gates here. We have a 16-feet gate we're going to fix. We'll also be fixing the water rails to get everything neat. It's just going to be like some 4-hour job. The gate is ready, very clean and neat gate. The clients pick from the designs that we sent to him. So we're going to finish within 4 hours. I'm very excited to show you the outcome of our work. So let's go. It's about to go down. Let's go.